This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm on their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson board events. Let's see what we got. Buzzer duration. As you've noticed, buzzer frequency has two parameters, and remember, this number here and this number, that's what they mean by parameters, the stuff you can pass or give to a function to use in some way, or a method. Both of these take a number as input. Duration determines how long the buzzer is going to play a sound for in milliseconds. Ooh. Um, Duration determines how long the buzz. Yep, okay. For right now, we're going to focus on duration, the second parameter. Try out a few things with duration. Change the duration of the buzzer to something longer than 100. I've already done that. Try setting it to 0. Oh, well, I would assume if we have 0 duration, it won't make any noise. Oh my gosh, make it stop, make it stop, make it stop. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, yep, that was mean. Thank you, Code.org. That was fun. Run the program multiple times to see what happens. I'm having way too much fun with this. I don't know, 950. Ugh. Let me do a lower pitch. That's not going to do it. Yep, that's too little. Or whatever this number does, I'm not really sure. That sounds like a Jeopardy buzzer. Cool. All right, I'm excited to see what we're going to be doing with this. Let's keep going.